Welcome, folks. Today we are discussing common mistakes in quantitative research. Let's dive in.
I'm eager to hear about this. What are some of the most prevalent errors researchers make?
One major issue is poorly defined or inconsistent variables. It's crucial to have crystal clear definitions to ensure accurate measurement and analysis. Ambiguity can really skew your results.
I see. So if the variables aren't well defined, the whole study's foundation is shaky, right?
Exactly. Another frequent problem is sample size. Getting the sample size right is critical. Too small a sample reduces the study's power, meaning you might miss significant effects. Conversely, an unnecessarily large sample wastes resources.
That makes perfect sense. It's a balancing act, then. What about bias in data collection? How does that creep in?
That's a big one. Bias can easily contaminate data if the instruments or procedures aren't carefully designed. Systematic errors can completely distort the results, leading to false conclusions.
So, rigorous methodology is key to avoid that. What about the analysis phase? Are there common pitfalls there?
Absolutely. Misinterpreting statistical outcomes is a common mistake. Researchers sometimes confuse correlation with causation, or they might not report findings within the appropriate context. It's important to understand the limitations of statistical tests.
That's a really important point. I've seen that happen a lot. Are there any other significant errors?
Yes, many researchers overlook the assumptions behind statistical tests. If these assumptions aren't met, the results are invalid, no matter how significant they appear. It's like building a house on a weak foundation. It's bound to crumble.
That's a great analogy. So, to summarize, we've covered poorly defined variables, inadequate sample size, bias in data collection, misinterpreting statistics, and ignoring the assumptions of statistical tests. All critical points to consider for rigorous quantitative research.
Precisely. Being mindful of these common mistakes helps ensure that quantitative research is rigorous, reliable, and meaningful. Thanks for joining us, folks. Have a great day.